In just a few minutes, we'll explore how AI has grown from its infancy to the brink of superintelligence. Get ready to dive into the fascinating world of AI evolution. Our story begins in the 1950s, where the foundations of AI were laid by pioneers like Alan Turing and John McCarthy. Turing introduced the concept of machines that could simulate any human intelligence, and McCarthy coined the term artificial intelligence. In 1956, the Dartmouth Conference marked the birth of AI as an academic discipline. Early AI systems were rule-based, using logical statements to make decisions. However, these early efforts were limited by the computing power of the time. Fast forward to the 1980s, and AI experienced its first boom. Expert systems, which mimic human expertise in specific domains, became popular. These systems were used in fields like medicine, finance, and engineering. But it wasn't until the late 1990s that AI truly began to shine. In 1997, IBM's Deep Blue made history by defeating world-class chess champion Garry Kasparov. This victory showcased AI's potential to outperform humans in complex tasks. The 2000s saw the rise of machine learning, a subset of AI where systems learn from data rather than being explicitly programmed. This shift was powered by increased computational power and the availability of large datasets. A breakthrough moment came in 2012 when deep learning, a type of machine learning, achieved significant milestones. AlexNet, a deep neural network, won the ImageNet competition by a large margin, demonstrating the power of neural networks. Since then, AI has evolved rapidly. Self-driving cars, language translation, and even creative tasks like generating art and music have become possible. Today, we stand at the brink of what many call artificial general intelligence, or AGI. AGI refers to machines that can understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks at a human level. Companies and researchers are racing to develop AGI, with some predicting that we can achieve it within the next few decades. But with great power comes great responsibility. The potential risks of superintelligent AI include ethical dilemmas, job displacement, and even existential threats. Ensuring that AI develops in a safe and controlled manner is crucial. As we look into the future, the promise of AI is both exciting and daunting. From revolutionizing healthcare to transforming industries, the impact of AI will be profound. It's up to us to guide this evolution responsibly.